Hey, dog lovers. If your dog has just recently been diagnosed with valley fever, he may be coughing like mad. Once your vet diagnoses your dog with valley fever and prescribes an antifungal medication like fluconazole, it still can take a flipping month for the cough to go away. For pet guardians, this feels like forever. Imagine how miserable your dog feels, coughing and hacking day and night. Not to mention that he's keeping you up all night and you're exhausted too. Here are 3 easy natural remedies to soothe your dog's cough right now. The first one, local raw honey. You can give your dog, if they're under 20 pounds of body weight, half a teaspoon twice a day. If your dog is 20 to 60 pounds, you can give 1 teaspoon of local raw honey twice daily. And if your dog's 60 pounds or more, you can give 2 teaspoons of raw honey twice a day. Number 2, marshmallow root tea, cooled down, of course. You can give a 1/4 cup per 25 pounds of body weight in small portions throughout the day to help with coughing. And 3, a cool mist humidifier. As an awesome pet guardian, you have the power to make a difference in your dog's health. In the next video, I'll reveal 4 wonderful herb pairs to settle your dog's cough. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more expert tips to help you help your dog. Together, we can give your dog the best chance of recovery from valley fever. Check out my free valley fever guide for a way you can learn more holistic strategies to help your dog with valley fever. Download the free guide at www.caninevalleyfeverguide.com. And remember, when you know better, do better.